Welcome back to Wander and Invest. If you're following along, we've been building a financial roadmap for anyone starting to save a bit later in life. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for building wealth: compound interest. Whether you're able to invest a little or a lot each year, understanding compound interest can make a huge difference. Let's dive in and see how it works. So, what exactly is compound interest? In simple terms, it's when you earn interest on both the money you invest and the interest that money has already earned. This is what makes compound interest so powerful. The longer you invest, the faster your money can grow. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill. It picks up more snow as it goes, growing bigger and faster the longer it rolls. Compound interest works the same way. Now, let's break down how compound interest actually works using a simple formula. Here's the formula. FV equals P multiplied by 1 plus R divided by N, raised to the power of NT. Let's walk through each part to see what it means. In this formula, FV is the future value, or how much your investment will be worth after compounding. P is the principal, or the amount you start with each year. R is the interest rate you expect to earn, like 7% for a typical stock market index fund. N is the number of times interest compounds per year, like annually or quarterly. T is the time in years you'll let the investment grow. This formula shows that the longer your money is invested and the higher the interest rate, the more it can grow. Now let's see how this works in two real-life examples. Let's look at two examples to see how compound interest can work, no matter your starting amount. Example 1. Investing $2,000 per year. First, let's say you're able to invest $2,000 per year, which is about $167 per month, in a low-cost index fund like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 7% annually, so we'll use that rate here. If you invest $2,000 per year for 25 years with an average 7% return, by the end of that period, your investment could grow to approximately $135,000. That's the power of compound interest, turning modest annual contributions into a significant amount over time. Example 2. Investing $20,000 per year. Now let's look at a higher contribution amount to see how this formula works if you have more to invest. Imagine you're able to invest $20,000 per year, or about $1,667 per month in the same fund. If you keep this up for 25 years at a 7% return, your investment could grow to over $1 million. So by investing more each year, you reach a much larger total. Compound interest scales with your contributions, which means the more you're able to invest, the more your money can grow. These examples show that compound interest can work for different budgets. Whether you're investing $2,000 or $20,000 per year, the key is to start as soon as you can and stick with it consistently. Now that we've seen how powerful compound interest can be, here are 3 steps you can take to make it work for you. First, start investing as soon as you can. The sooner you start, the more time compound interest has to grow your money. Even if you can only invest a little each month, starting now is better than waiting. Second, invest consistently. Consistency is key with compound interest. Set up an automatic transfer to an investment account each month, even if it's a small amount, so your money grows without you having to think about it. Third, choose investments with growth potential. Look for growth-oriented investments, like index funds or ETFs, which have shown strong returns over time. Try to choose options with low fees, as high fees can reduce your returns over the years. Want to see how much your investments could grow? Try using an online compound interest calculator. Just enter your starting amount, interest rate, and years to see how much you could have in the future. Remember, patience and consistency are your best friends with compound interest. The longer you give it to work, the more it can do for you. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, whether you're starting with a small amount or a larger investment. By investing consistently and giving your money time to grow, you're setting yourself up for a stronger financial future. In the next video, we'll cover how to build a growth-oriented investment portfolio, even if you're just getting started. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and let's keep building wealth together with Wander and Invest.